In this video, I want to show you how to deflate the pressure from the cuff after you're done exercising. So I can either press on this stem and just deflate, or I can reconnect. And I'm gonna go and scroll down to start a new session. I can hit that, and that will deflate all the air out of the cuff. And then if I want to reinflate, I can do it very quickly. I can start exercise. It's still going. Start exercise, go to the leg, choose low, hit enter, previously stored, and it'll pump me up right to my previous calculation. It'll just take a couple seconds. Okay, I can disconnect, and then I can go and do my exercises. When I go to deflate again, I can either press the button, or I can reconnect and then just say start new session, and all the pressure will be pushed out of the cuff.